Alright, we back, y'all. We back with Tyhem Commodore. Thanks for coming through.
Thanks for having me.
Reppin' Harlem, right?
Harlem, Spanish Harlem.
Spanish Harlem. Let's do it.
You Spanish?
Half Puerto Rican, my mom. Shout out to
Cuchi Fritos. Half Puerto Rican and what? Half black?
Yeah.
So am I,
Right.
brother.
I got a baby that's half Puerto Rican, half black. Hey, how you doing?
High five on that.
Half Puerto Rican, half black too.
High five for the nigga sticks. Alright, Tyhem, we want to get right into the question of the day before we even get into the interview. I know you're going to give it to us, Real.
Right.
If you recently started dating someone, and this, what if this bitch was bad? I'm talking about pretty, titties bang, ass ba boom bang. But what if she had a little body odor or like the breath wasn't right? Would you tell her?
Absolutely.
How?
Okay.
I have to tell them. I would tell her politely, like if a breath or anything stick, I just let her know, like you need to take care of your mouth.
Real? Just like
Your
that?
mouth region?
Yeah.
Just order in this area?
Right, and if she's not taking care of mouth, it's like an 85% chance she's not taking care of vagina either. So it's just not gonna work.
Okay, well, what if the okie doke is the breath is fine, but the vaginal area
I
is.
can't get to so
Is
keeps continuously staying.
but no, the breath is good. She done had her double mint.
We're not going that far.
But
What if you didn't realize that she stunk? Like you got that far already.
Right.
Her breath didn't stink, but now you're in the house.
Like you in the house, you in the crib, y'all having something intimate, and you know she take off her pants and her panties, and it's a whiff of something unfamiliar.
Bad vagina.
Chicken of the sea.
Right. Let's just say it like it is. Right,
Stink ass pussy.
stink ass.
Talking shit, yeah. Fucking vaginals.
Stink pussy, I'm not bugging.
Right.
Point blank.
But
So how you gonna leave?
Right.
I'm gonna leave. I've done it before.
That's it.
You done it? You got it
How'd you
for
say it?
I didn't see. I used to be. I'm blunt now, but before I just like I gotta go to the store, and I never came.
Never
back.
came back.
To the
So I
store?
went to the store to get condoms.
No, I wasn't. So look, let me hear the blunt. What's the blunt one?
The blunt now today, I'll tell you, your pussy stink.
Fucking pussy.
Yeah, you need to take care of that. And dudes, stop fucking saying you took from the team, cause you took one for yourself. You selfish, nasty bastard. Y'all had to fuck this bitch last night. That had a stink pussy. I took one for the team. No, you didn't. We
What
went there.
team?
No,
Right.
You ain't have to fuck that stink hoe.
Yeah, he was nasty. We didn't tell you to. You didn't call us. We didn't talk to you.
Everybody credit ain't gonna go up because you fucked that bitch.
That shit
Right, it don't count.
For the team.
It don't count.
End of the day, take it for the team. You still nasty.
He's a nasty dick
Gotta
nigga.
add that in there.
And your dick is nasty too.
Let's
Fuck it.
get into some seriousness. When was the first time you actually realized you wanted to be a comedian, like for a living? Like this is what I want to do.
About 3 years ago.
Really?
It's like anybody's fear. Anybody's fear is dying of the second fear. Just talking. That's everybody knows. I can do that shit. Okay, right now, I'm talking for those people that want to laugh and just hear you. So, like the fear, and I get it the first time opening for Doc. It was a good experience.
Wow. I was about to ask you that. Yeah. Okay.
It was a mic just like this. By the time I was finished, shit was wrapped around. I got like 2 laughs.
Okay.
It was
Okay.
$2 Tuesday. I got wasted.
Oh, okay.
By the time I got to the stage, I was sober.
Well, you was winning. If it's $2 Tuesday, you was good. You was winning. It was $2
I
Tuesday.
can't wait to get on this stage and spend all my $2.
But did you have any problem? You knew you were gonna try it again, or did you?
Yeah. After I got off the stage, I definitely knew I was going to try it again. Like I loved it. Like, it wasn't that bad.
Okay.
Okay.
How would you describe your comedy style?
Just raw.
Raw.
Me, myself.
Okay.
What you just getting is me.
All right. So everybody checked out the video, which is like we said, is funny as fucking hell.
Funny.
So how the fuck did you come up with MC Brunch? Where did you get the wig? Like
Brunch is a character I made up when I first started. Because I started doing skits first. I used to be on World Star Lives. I did a lot of writing and directing and producing on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
I started. Then I went to stand up, fully just taking all lane comedy. But MC Brunch is a character. Basically, he's a character that's needed. When you think of an MC, they all important, but MC Brunch is lunch and breakfast.
Between right.
Most important is that's his nickname. I'm most important. Like you need me. Like you need breakfast and lunches to go through your day. So I named him MC Brunch.
Wow, you really put some thought into that. It was even a motherfucker.
He deep.
So how about the wig? How'd you come up with that?
Love it.
It's just not me. The
Okay.
wig is not me. It's somebody else. I gotta go into character. Sometimes you gotta just put on a wig, and the wig works. When I put on the wig, it's not me. It's MC Brunch.
All right.
He likes different things. He's different.
He's way different.
Like,
Way
he got a
different.
song to I don't care about your gut. Y'all should see it. Check that out.
Oh, I listen.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't
You
care
don't
about
care?
the gut.
You don't care about? You mean the bitch with the gut?
Can we get a couple of lines? Can we get a couple of lines from that? Just even a couple.
Come here, girl. Why you in the gym? Eat this rib. Are you trying to get slim?
Hey.
And they skinny. They be hating on you, but your ass winning.
Hey.
What you wanna eat? Don't say salad.
Hey.
It's on me, cause eating is a habit. Some say ill, but they can't handle. Baby, but me, I grab love handles.
Okay. That's
MC Brunch. So you grinding? We see that you do it. You
Capone, Team Capone.
Definitely grinding hard.
We on tour right now. Comedian Capone, the gangster comedy, and Team Capone.
Where do you see yourself? And this is kind of a stock question, but it's kind of important because you have to have goals. We all have to have goals. Where do you see yourself in the next, even 5 years from now?
Oh, growing on a higher level, definitely growing, because there's always room to grow. So that's all I'm saying. Just
Do you have
climbing the ladders,
do you
growing.
have any do you have like that one main goal? Like, do you have for yourself, or just in general you want to grow as an artist?
You want to go on tour? You want to do?
Right
You
now I'm
want?
on tour.
Okay,
Tell us about that.
Yes.
Tour is fun right now. We sold out all shows. We been in PA, Connecticut. Let me see, Atlanta's coming next. I think supposed to be in DR in August. But
Nice.
Team Capone tour is going very well. We
Nice.
sold out the Symphony Space, the first show right there, 94th and Broadway. That was the opening show.
Okay.
Okay, what's the name of the tour?
Team Capone.
Okay, Team Capone. All
You
right.
said you have to be funny to be famous.
That's what's up.
No, because a lot of people, they feel like they're not famous. Like, why?
Yeah.
You don't have to.
No, I mean, at the end of the day, it's about your art.
Yeah.
You still entertaining people, and you're doing what you love to do. And that's what it's
How
all
was your
about.
hometown Harlem feeling you?
Oh, lot of love.
Lot of love.
Shout out to New York. New York is
NYC?
NYC. They holding us down. I got a nice fan base. I appreciate it. My support team.
Okay.
All right, before we get into the next, play this game, I gotta ask you this. I asked Cutter, who, a very controversial question, who's the best rapper, had to answer Biggie or Pac. I'm gonna ask you, pick one, who's the best comedian, Eddie Murphy or Richard Pryor? If you had to pick one.
Well, I came up in the Eddie Murphy era, so I'm gonna go with Eddie. Like Eddie really
Okay.
taught me a lot.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Good
was
question.
around for Eddie. Like I could go back and watch it, tape it, DVD of Richard. It's not gonna I'm not gonna relate like I could relate to Eddie.
I understand that,
He was
definitely.
funny as shit.
Right. Right.
I gotta die, and then I did.
And you
Right.
can.
So people did shit like that.
With the McDonald's, right? With the McDonald's, right?
And then I
Yeah, I would that.
Like, oh, I can't have that. Like,
And then it fell on the floor.
right. I can relate to stuff like.
All right, that's what it is.